As we mark the 28th anniversary of Rwanda's liberation, we reflect on how far we have come as a nation.
Liberation sometimes includes a military campaign, but it never ends with one. That is where Rwanda is today, in the phase of struggle that begins after the guns have finally fallen silent.
On the 4th of July, we celebrate the rebirth of our country that guaranteed security and restored dignity and hope for all Rwandans. 28 years ago, after the RPF Inkotanyi stopped the 1994 genocide against the Tutsi, Rwandans collectively made a choice to stay together, to be accountable, and to think big. These principles remain at the core of Rwanda's ongoing renewal. The country is rapidly developing and progressively alleviating poverty and promoting well-being through targeted policies and programs that benefit all Rwandans. From maintaining peace and security to promoting gender equality, ensuring education for all, providing healthcare even in remote rural areas, conserving the environment, and fostering good relations with other countries. Rwanda's liberation continues to be an inspiration for all citizens everywhere to work for a brighter future and safeguard our shared achievements. Indeed, together we prosper. Happy Liberation Day, Rwanda.